All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Saturday's college football picks. Let's get right into it. We got Wake Forest beating Georgia Tech. We like the 13.5 in that game. We're going to bet Louisville minus the 4.5 against Pittsburgh. We like Rutgers plus the 4.5 against Row the Boat, Minnesota. We like Central Florida plus the 6 against Kansas State. We like Syracuse plus 4.5 against Duke. We like Bowling Green in the 7.5 against Ohio. We like USC minus the 6.5 against Illinois. We're going to bet Kansas minus the 4.5 against Cincinnati. We like North Texas minus 13 against San Antonio. We love Arkansas to win the game, so plus the 4 against the Irish. Vanderbilt minus 22.5 against Utah State. We like Central Michigan minus the 4.5 against Eastern Michigan. We like Georgia Southern plus 17 against James Madison. We like Arkansas State plus 1.5 against Monroe. We love BC minus the 6.5 against Cal. We love West Virginia plus the 12.5 against Utah. We love Iowa plus the 7.5 against Indiana. And we love A&M minus 6.5 against Auburn. Take Toledo minus 21 against Akron. Take LSU plus the 1.5 against Ole Miss. Take Northern Illinois plus the 2.5 against San Diego State. Take Baylor minus 21 against Oklahoma State. We're going to bet that one. We're also going to bet UCLA plus the 6.5 against Northwestern. Take Navy minus 14.5 against Rice. Take Buffalo plus 3.5 against UConn. Take the Ohio State Buckeyes minus 8 against Washington. Take New Mexico State plus the 15 against New Mexico. Take Mississippi State plus 7 against Tennessee. Take Tulane minus 14.5 against Tulsa. Take Air Force minus 6.5 against Hawaii. Take Middle Tennessee State plus the 7.5 against Kennesaw State. Take Old Dominion minus 14 against Liberty. Take NC State minus the 11 against Va Tech. Take Florida Atlantic plus 14 against Memphis. Take Arizona plus the 6 against against Iowa State. We love Arizona in this game. Take Jacksonville State plus the 4 against Southern Miss. Take Western Kentucky minus 4 against Missouri Southern. Take Stanford minus 3 against San Jose State. We love Oregon plus the 3.5 against Penn State. Take Wazoo plus the 5.5 against Colorado State. Take Missouri minus the 44.5 against UMass. Take Alabama plus the 3 against Georgia. Take Boise State minus 16 against Appalachian State. Take South Carolina minus the 5.5 against Kentucky. Take Louisiana Lafayette minus 1 against Marshall. Take Louisiana Tech minus the 3.5 against UTEP. And we're going to slam BYU minus 7 against Colorado. So the games you really want to play and focus on is Louisville, Kansas, Arkansas, Boston College, West Virginia, Iowa, Texas A&M, LSU, Baylor, UCLA, NC State, Arizona, Oregon, Alabama, South Carolina, and BYU. So get those games, mix them in some parlays. We're looking for a massive day in college football. Let's roll. Let's roll. Subscribe.